Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Boss AD-10 acoustic guitar preamp and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If it's not working right, if it seems to be not responding, things like that, we can fix a lot of these bugs and stuff like that with a hard reset. The second reason you're going to want to do this is with all your presets and configurations and everything like that, if you just want to get it, you don't want to have to undo them manually or whatever. You just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. We can do that really easily. All we need to do is, first of all, we're going to have it turned off. And then with it turned off, we're going to come and press and hold these two notch buttons, the notch 1 and notch 2 buttons. And while we're doing that, then we'll come in and go ahead and turn it on. And when you do that, FR will appear on the display and this memory button here will start to blink. Now, if you want to cancel the reset at this point, you can just go ahead and turn it off. But if you're ready to go ahead and do the reset, then this blinking memory button will just go ahead and press that button. And then the whole display will flash and the factory reset will be executed. And then you can go ahead and set it up like it's a new device.